On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin ripping, pumping and dumping. Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Who cares? Let's make some money, baby. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Get your coffee. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on, gang? Good to see you. Good morning, everybody. We have a Dick's is up. Dick's Sporting Goods, guys. It's a company. It's up. It's already up, baby. It's all up. Let's go. See more Liddy in the chat. Otter Gang. That's the way. Bearded Mac. Duality. Laura Lie. Let's go. We're going to call you Laura Truth. See what I did there? Not very original, Alex. Come on. Gucci gang, what's going on? M Days, good to see you as well. Justin Verse, Mr. Crypto Jung, the man, the myth, the legend. Good morning, good to see you, man. How you doing? All right. Well, I gave the box like literally 10 minutes ago. Jeez. 786 got tapped. 786 tap rejection. Okay, so golden pocket was right here. 786 is here. Oof. Oh man. Chop City here. This is what scares me right here. Okay, this is why I don't like, over trading too much. I mean, yesterday I started pretty bad. I was down what, $1,200? I ended up being up $2,400 after the day was done. I mean, some much better trades, execution-wise, after the live stream. I want to do it while we have the live stream, but sometimes the magic happens after the live stream. The Discord knows we had a whole bunch of levels and setups and lessons and all that good stuff. That was good fun. Good fun. What's going on, Mob the Great and Alexandra G. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. How we doing? Tool. Milan, good morning. DG Fan, ST Altcoin, good morning. Good to see you. Steve Hickey, what's going on, Mr. Steve Hockey Man, number 11. Like 11, I like that. That's a good number, man. Dusty, How you doing, man? I made a news channel on the Discord so Dusty could have a release, you know? Sometimes you just need to get it out. Oh, man. Well, a little bit of a sell-off this morning. Interesting. We got a sell-off here coming in. Doji engulfing off of the Nas as well. Nasty, man. What's going on? Why is it... Dusty, what's the news? Do we got news on this? What's going on here? Maybe we go over to our new and improved news section. They're just bombing. They're bombing oil tankers and stuff like that. Django TP1. Django's short already. He probably took the short from the top. Box given in advance in this morning's update. I mean, if you paid attention, we were getting into the box this morning, given in advance. And we got a little tappy rejection. Morning updates every morning. Now we're rolling over. I was too busy setting up stream and dropping kids off at the pool yet again. You got to get that thing done, you know, before you get up here and start talking a lot of smack. Because that's what we do here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and smashing up that like button. Thank you. Thank you. We're almost ready to do a big giveaway. 20,000 subscribers for all you subscribers. That's effing crazy. Beyond my wildest dreams. So thank you guys. I don't know. I'm not a YouTuber. You can tell by my channel. If you go on my channel, I'm very, very efficient. Okay? I had AI make my background. I've had the same symbol since I started. My videos consist of very high quality thumbnails. Very enticing, clickable. No, they're pretty much straight up the same effing thing, okay? Sometimes I get a laser pointer out. My shorts are AI generated because I'm lazy and I'm not going to sit here and record shorts. I'd rather click buttons and make lots of money trading. My old videos, man. My most popular videos. This is when I was like trying to YouTube. Look at that. Market Cipher. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of things in here, but there's a lot of things in here that you could use, but the tips and tricks one's pretty good. Crazy, man. Oh, yeah? Well, I hit 8,200. Let's go. 8,200. Sexy, man. Good job. Good job, Piper. What's going on? Good morning, bro. Oil is up. Is oil flying? Oof. Oil's flying, baby. They blowing up things. Oil is up in the wazoo here. Oil up. Okay. I see. I can see this. This is where I would look for oil to return to. However, you raise me up. Yeah. Okay. Soy Boy Lana still climbing. Solana's still climbing. I like Solana. Solana looks strong AF right now. But a little bit of patience here with the Soy Boy Lana. But Solana looks strong. Bitcoin's a punk ass. We'll see. We'll do top-down analysis and go through all this. But a little bit overextended this morning. Obviously, the climb up over Asia and London. The London session has been hot, baby. Look at this London session. Oh, man, you Londoners. You bloody Londoners. You spoil rotten. Okay, I won't butcher that. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Yeah, and you had the dump here. You had a bit of chop. And then in here, yeah. I mean, you've had a decent session considering it's London. Those night owls, man. The night owls are getting paid, man. We had a buy level right here. We had a buy level right here last night. So whoever took that in our Discord, they have been paid. Incredible. We were also looking at the orb short up top here, and that worked out perfectly as well. So we have been literally on fire lately. The Discord is nonstop. So pretty good so far. We'll see if Bitcoin has the legs today or if she's legless. Legless is a way to say you're pretty drunk in England. Absolutely smashed. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for saying good morning. Shri and Pandy, how you doing? Peeing up? Peeing down? How you doing? Good to see you. Jonathan, good morning. Hot? Good morning. Today we'll hit 65. Okay. Sweet. What up, Philly? Good to see you, man. Nish, good morning. Bald, William, Batillion, good morning, man. Good to see you. Jack's Trades, see. Laura Truth. Good to see you. Making crypto honest again. You're not Laura anymore. You're Laura Truth. Or Laura Croft. If you want to be Laura Croft, you can be our Laura Croft. But it's got to be the old school Laura Croft. The one that where the boobs look like Tesla. Right? The Cybertruck boobs. We all know the meme. Come on, guys. So it's the Elon hold my blunt. I want to get a Cybertruck just because of this, guys. I will make it look like the Lara Croft, you know? Yeah, Elon saying, Right? Oh yeah. Home. Oh shit. That's good. I think that's good. I enjoy things like this. Oh man. What do you guys think? That's so good, man. Army Piper in the chat, man. My man, how have you been? Have you been trading this absolute junk? It's choppy. Doji engulfing continuation trades. Solana's pumping, guys. Is oil dumping now? The volatility is here. We got housing information coming in. I don't think this is really going to move. Building permits and housing starts. I don't think this is going to really move the market too much. However, be prepared. Doji engulfing, Solana ripping, Bitcoin lagging. Interesting. Means Solana's either better for a short or Bitcoin's better for a long. Which one is it? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Would love to know. You got to tell me, man. You guys got to tell me. I need interaction from you guys. Okay, long, short, 3, skiing, whatever you're into. I hope you guys are all in the money. And if not, hopefully we can get there. Twos, ones. Mojo Jojo's in 1 or 2. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. I hope you guys are all winning. I need you to win so that I can lose and feel okay about myself as long as you guys are doing all right. That's cool, man. Long? I'm new and know nothing, so just lurking. Welcome, Nick. Welcome. Hopefully we can help you on your journey to becoming a full-time profitable trader. I know that we have a very good poll, right? If we do the poll, it's, are you here to quit your 9 to 5 and become a full-time trader to have a life of purpose, freedom, and time, right? And everybody says yes. Now, not a lot of people achieve this. I have slowly but surely achieved this. And that's my goal, is to kind of, there's a path. I took a really effed up path there. And we talk about the journey sometimes, but we took a path. We struggled a lot because you need to struggle. You need to get, my opinion on the trader's journey, you need to, well, they always get you with the win early. They get you with the win early. You struggle a bit. Then you do well. Okay, this is where it all fucks up for everybody. Okay, and I will swear here because then you do well, and then it bangs you like dry, like it is nasty, and you cannot get back to this at all. You feel hopeless. This downward spiral, this either creates a diamond or you just remained I don't know. This requires you to change. Every trader will go through this where you need to change. And then you will do this even as a profitable trader now. I go through this still sometimes, right? I make 40 grand and I give back 20. And I give back 20, but I know how to get back to this. I know how to get back to this slowly but surely. But every trader, and this will happen over and over again, you'll have a big win. January, I'm up 40K, right? I'm up 40K. Halfway through January, I'm up 40K. Come back, get sick. I'm back down to like up 17K, blowing it up, right? Battle back, small position size, still break even, struggling. Oh, little win, little loss, little win, little loss, right? And a little bit of pain. My pain is not as bad anymore because I know how to make the adjustments in order to get back on the gravy train. But hopefully we can help you. I think being part of a community, part of a whole bunch of people who are being honest, one, and navigating the charts too, and trying to be better, it's the biggest thing that's going to help you. Right? I'm not saying join the Discord or anything like that. You can just stay here, learn, paper trade. I like the look of this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm not entering this, but I do like the look of this. It would be a scalp though. But it's if it was easy, it wouldn't be really worth it, would it? Right? Some people they get it right away, but then later on when the shit hits the fan, because the market is always changing. I mean, I've been trading for 4 years. The market is always changing and surprising me with new shit. Even right now, we got like wartime. We got, inflation. We got nobody having a job, right? There's things that are, even people who've been in the industry for 20 years haven't seen, this kind of AI replacement theory shit, right? They've never seen it. But at the end of the day, we have to be as robotish as possible, take high probability trade setups over and over again, managing our risk, and trying our best. That's it. So welcome. Thank you for being here. I love when there's someone who's like, I'm new and I don't know shit. That's where that's a good start, man. That's a good start. Good morning, Skids. Good to see you, Dusty. 20K. No news, more oil released. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Steve Hickey, cool. Denow. Alexander G. Chantel, always saying good morning. Laura Truth, Alexo. Loco, Jason, good morning. Good to see you. Denow. Froth Dog, my man. How you doing, bro? Crypto Hefe, Josh Parr. Thank you for being here, Jason. French Toasters, Spiritual Berserker. Okay, that's a interesting name. You're like spiritual, but you smash people in the face. No, I'm joking. Rebellious, Dusty. Shark Vins, Jackson Crawford. What's going on, Mr. Crawford? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Wayne Rossi. Sorry, man. I butchered that. Good morning. I am the captain now. Good to see you. London decided to be rich for once. Yeah, I don't know about those Londoners. I think it's going downhill. Thank you, Starmer. Is it Starmer? That guy who's absolutely destroying UK? DJ? Chris, good to see you. 585. Morning, Otters. Otter gang. The gang is here, you know. I know you guys all secretly, like, you watch Peaky Blinders and you fantasize about being in a gang. Well, you can be in the gang here, okay? And you don't have to do any crime. You can be legit. You can pay your taxes, and you can make lots of money, just like a gang member. Okay, and you can pretend. You can even put a Peaky Blinders outfit on and trade, and nobody will see, because you'll be in your little wanking chariot at home in your little cave with your little laptop with your little mouse, and you can be like, "I'm part of the gang, mate." All right, and you can live that fantasy here in the gang, and you don't have to do any crime. It's a pretty good truck. Pretty good truck. I read Cybertruck. It's a pretty good gig. Good to see you. Jules Golden, Captain Jack. What's going on? Eric, how you doing, man? Chris Face. Well, it's Jesse. I know you guys are all wanting to be in the Peaky Blinders. Oh, man. The only ones who pay Uncle Sam. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's it, man. The Diggity. I'm OG and the best lurker. You are real Diggity. You are an OG, man. Thank you for being part of the family for so long. Refund, good to see you. Ashley, how you doing? What is your leverage when scalping? 44x, man. It has for forever. 44x gap on NQ. I don't necessarily watch the NQ gap. But hey ho, if it works for you. Soy Boy Lana's ripping, outperforming Bitcoin today. We can see that. That's clear as day. Let's go over to the Solana Bitcoin chart. This is something that you should always look at generally with your BTC pairs. And you can see the Bitcoin is underperforming Solana. Solana is ripping today. Woo! We might want to get on a Solana Lana long. Near is doing well as. And then there's Ada. Sorry, Ada, you suck. Oh, man. My girl Solana's working hard today, so we might have to join the dark side. Solana's my girl. Hanging Man, Engulfing Candle. Here's that push-up. A bear divs in here, rotation up into rejection. So a little bit of caution here. Mitigation of the low, rotation. Could see us coming back down in here, but I like this order block down here at 70,000. And Solana's trying to get going here. Solana gets the people. Look at this thing, man. Solana's one of the best performing ETFs. It's constant inflows. I'm just saying, I full discretion, I own a boat ton of Solana. A boat ton. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Solana, baby. What's going on? The Discord is the real edge. Thank you, Django. I appreciate having you, man. Bangs you sandpaper. Oh, man. Dry. Yeah. Good to see you, Nick. Thank you for being here. Just take your time, man. Take your time. Absorb. Patience. Starmer's a wanker. I don't know if I can say any of this stuff anymore. The liberals are getting into, like, full government now. They have floor crossers and all this stuff in Canada. And they're probably going to ban me from YouTube. I guarantee it's coming, man. It's scary in Canada. Too many plastic gangsters in this world already. This is true. This is true. Curbstar. Chris G, good to see you. Flat Smack, Y Crypto, D Crypto, Django. Are we a biker gang or more like a Fast and the Furious? If you're talking about like a biker gang, like a bicycle, then yes. Show up all, call the gang, and we all show up on bicycles. I don't know what kind of gang. I think we just like spoon feeding. That's kind of where we're at. We're spoon, Where's the AlexOCrypto spoon feeding? Here we go. This is what we do. We go here.
All right, gang. Feast your eyes on this.
All right.
Dig in.
That's kind of how we roll. This is what we do. We show
All
up
right, gang. Feast your eyes
to the
on
market
this.
every morning, and we eat.
Dig in.
Let's go,
All right,
baby.
gang. Feast.
That's the kind of gang we are. Big ass spoons. You got like some other ones here.
Time to feed the gang.
Right?
They love the American dollars.
I don't know what kind of accent they've given me, but Dave Digital, man, coming through for the gang. We just out here spoon feeding, baby. Thoughts on maple syrup? It's delicious. I don't typically do altcoins, guys. Alex, will you ever start trading NQ? No, man. Guys, if you watched yesterday, so everybody, I think it was Mob in the, was it Mob in the Discord? So what did I call yesterday? You guys were on me for this. Was it here yesterday? So I said, watch for this, then this, then this, then this. I don't know. I had like the perfect forecast for. I should trade the NASDAQ. But I like trading Bitcoin and Solana. And I don't know. Is futures toxic? I've heard futures is pretty toxic. I don't need a funded account. Like, I've built my account. I don't need like this paper money with rules and stuff. I don't like rules. Never have. So for me, it's I don't know if I'd ever go to that futures side, man. A little janky, man. But we'll see. I mean, I'm not saying never, but we're here to trade Bitcoin, Solana. This is the bread and butter, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna start trading something when I have something that I'm successful trading. That's kind of how I think about it, right? Like why change the formula? It requires like I've done like 4 years of back testing, guys, on Bitcoin and Solana. So it's like the amount of experience I have just by solely focusing on 2 tokens for years is an edge, right? It's on the nightstand. My wife was coming in asking me questions. Sorry. So it's hard for me to really sold 2000 one day. I think so. Good morning, Victor. Good to see you. ST Altcoin. Chicks love gangsters. That's 6'2" AlexOCrypto. If I was 6'2", I don't know, man. I'm definitely not. I'm 5'4", man. I'm the Hobbit. You know, if you're going to the Bitcoin conference this year and you need to find me, just take a knee and look through everyone's legs. You'll be able to see my face. That's it, right? Like, you'll have the whole crowd here. You'll have everybody here. Everybody's standing here, all holding hands, whatever. And then you take a knee, right? You take a knee, however you do that, right? You take a knee, and you look through everyone's legs here. And then you'll see AlexOCrypto right here. You just wave. I'll see you. Because we see eye to eye. Okay? That's it. Ask Army Piper. When I met Army Piper, all I did was, I was like, when I gave him a hug, I was just basically like his ankle bracelet. Oh. Oh, I fix it if it's not broken. That's it, right? That's it. No rules rule. Oil's flying again. Sweet. ST Altcoin. Jojo, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Stop the cringe, please. Never. Wait, the guy in the video sounds alright. Looking at the ADA chart is like watching... You almost got me, Andrew. You almost got me, man. The Discord is fire. Discord was hands down best decision I made trading. Thank you, Jason. Could I birthday shout out? Yeah, is it your birthday, Curbstar? Happy birthday, bro. I'll sing you happy birthday. What's going on, Kevin? Good to see you, man. I'm British, but I have a pirate accent. Shiver me timbers, mate. All right. Good to see you. By the way, check maple syrup again. I don't do altcoins, man. I used to do top-down analysis on everything. It's kind of this is the time to trade, man. Maple syrup can wait till pancakes in the morning. Solana retested previous highs, continuation up. Appearing strong here. Nasdaq rolling over, finding support. I should stop calling it Nasdaq, but I've been calling it for so long. US 100. ES breaking down. SPY has a lot of room to grow. SPY is kind of down here. So the rotation into market open could happen here. So we have very much a small gap in the morning. So we'll see what we get on the SPY here as well, coming into market open. The DAC trying to hold support here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up the like buttons, subscribing. That's pretty cool too, man. I do appreciate the subscriptions. We're almost there, 125 more subscribers. Then we can do a big old 20K giveaway. All right, 20K. Fucking crazy, man. I will swear for that. I'm trying not to swear, but I will swear for that. That is mind-blowing. Can you imagine being in a room naked, talking to all these otters, 20,000 otters naked? Wild, man. You better have a lot of fish. That's why we got the big spoon, man. That's why we got the big spoon. It's it's unreal. It's unreal. Well, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. If you do want to support the channel, you can use the Bitunix link pinned in the comments here for your VIP 3 exclusive deal, 30% discount on all trading fees. This is my sales pitch, but I use this exchange and I trust this exchange and I have a good rep for this exchange. It's the only time I've ever shilled an exchange. So if you do want to use it, here you go. Very good deposit bonuses. You know, you deposit $2,000, you get $200 back, man. Pretty awesome. And trading bonus volume. Okay. Use it or lose it. It's a great deal. If you do want to join the Discord, well, wait for a sale. It's not happening yet. Probably end of month or something like that. We'll do like a discount on the first month membership or something like that. We don't typically do many discounts anymore. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. So thank you for using the links and thank you for supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. Bitcoin is volatile. That's it. Like, we don't need to complicate this as we talk about all the time here. Like, we can see that we are at the top of the range. We are trying to push out of this consolidation point of control, which is right around here. And we have the bottom of the range, and we're trying to rotate back into this giant order block up in here at 74. Okay. So if we isolate price and we see this, then how do we take advantage of this, right? Low. So we have to buy low and sell high, right? That's our job. Well, we had resistance. We had a pink box up here. We shorted this as a community. Okay. We also looked for longs down here as a community. We've been giving lots of trade signals and setups throughout here. But Bitcoin is in a, you guessed it, a big old lame ass flag. Okay, so everybody looking at this thing for a breakout, retest, continuation. I think that's dangerous. That's just me. That's just me. Because why? Liquidity. This impulsive move up here is concerning. Okay, when you move up dramatically or down dramatically, you tend to get recovered. Always becomes a target in my opinion. So this is my target, and I'm looking for something more like this. When everybody's trying to take the breakout trade and buy low, sell high, right? And you get into this kind of thing. We're definitely looking for them to fake everybody out, right? We have a V-shaped recovery from last night, and we have a lot of key levels in front of us. So we're trying to get a support and resistance flip and continuation to come and grab the liquidity down here. However, we did leave these guys behind. This is my one little area that I am concerned about. Okay, you see we did not get down here. Okay, so expectational order flow, if we look at this as a breakdown here, we go high, low, right? So this would be expectational order flow. However, if we come into this area down in here, we would look for bottoming structure. Okay, if this and that, right? So we have to be predictive but also prepared, right? That's why we have all these beautiful dumb boxes on our chart that actually help us make money. Ta-da! Right, as a scalper, my chart may look busy to you. Okay, I can isolate certain things and take them off and make sure that I am prepared. Locally, we're looking for the flag to continue to be a flag, right? We can see exhaustion up at the highs. We can see this is very, very, very weak. When it gets to a certain level, they'll push it up and then they'll drop it, right? So do we get some topping structure in here and rotate down? Preferably into our retracement level? Yeah, we'll see. Do we get going and start to pump like Valhalla and get going? Yeah, we know how to take care of that too, right? So in either direction, we're prepared. It's just if this, then that. It's as simple as I can keep it, right? So for me right now, it's understanding, one, that we're in a very critical, volatile market right now, right? The VIX is high. We have volatility at the wazoo, right? VIX is at 25, which is stayed up away price action, right? You got to be prepared, right? We talk about volatility in the lessons in our Discord about what to do when we have volatility like this, how to trade it, right? Lessons, constant barrage of lessons for the gang, and we prepare pretty well. I think we do a really good job in our community. Prepare for this kind of BS because it's not easy to trade right now. You can tell it's sweeping, it's jumping, it's going somewhere, and most of the time you're getting it wrong. We like to get it right. Okay? We like to get it right. So we'll continue to watch and be prepared because oil is doing its thing right now. And it's pumping and we're dumping. So volatility is going to be, very extreme. So how do we prepare? Well, we do top-down analysis. We develop a bias. We understand that, hey, look, Bitcoin is here. How can it get here, right? So the 1 hour trigger wave to the downside is the concern for the morning, right? We can see here that if we come into market open and we start to rotate down, we could be looking for a pretty good dump. I mean, if we look at this one right here and we shorted here and we rolled over, it was a pretty good dump, right? Right, and this is a big range, guys. This is volatile. This is 2.5%. So be prepared for possibly a good dump, right? Everybody a little bit euphoric up at the highs, chopping. If this and that. However, if we look at like our 3 hour and our 4 hour, it does show bullish momentum to the upside. We have inward curvature here on our money flow and a green dot and momentum pushing to the upside. So there's contrarian views here. Which one is going to win? Well, that's why we use price action and market structure and volume and liquidity to help us navigate. So we understand there's liquidity down here. There's liquidity up here. And which one are we going to get to first? Well, we'll use price action and market structure to help us navigate, right? We just had our news data 10 minutes ago. I know I'm late to the party, but it really didn't affect price action here. And we have, housing starts coming in, building permits coming in under consensus, and we had housing starts coming above consensus. So pretty much nothing burger, okay? Nothing too exciting, but tomorrow, core PCE, durable goods, GDP or GDP, the Italian GDP, personal income and spending, and Jolt's job openings for January. So this is going to be a gong show tomorrow at 8:30 and 10 o'clock. Army Piper has a data erection off of this stuff. This is a lot. So he's going to break this down for you guys tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe we'll send the stream. I don't know what we'll do. I can't commit to anything lately. I'm back from vacation. I just want to trade and hang out with the family, which is the gang. Okay. Double bottom here, trying to push back. Solana still looks strong, holding highs. Okay. And trying to go. So thank you, everybody, for being here. How do we prepare? Well, you just got it. So we'll see. A little bit overextended here. Could come back. Order block in here. Looking for a tappy and go. We'll see. We got our famous balloon dog pattern here. Overnight, as we can see, everybody loves a good old balloon dog, especially with a schnauzer, beautiful head and a beautiful toto. You know, when it has a little wick down, this is the best. And you long that thing. So we had a beautiful balloon dog overnight. We had the orb high rejection short that we gave yesterday, and then the breakdown here. So, I mean, happy days. Happy days. Trying to push back here. I mean, this is volatile, guys. Look at this. Wild. Trying to push back. Patience here. Quarter to 9, quarter to the hour. Pushing back. Indecision. We'll see where we get to. We'll see. Below, we're above VWAP, so we should generally be looking for longs. Order block here, order block here. Double bottom trying to push out. Imbalance up here, which would also be like our golden pocket. If we go swing high to swing low, right? And we'll see where we go. Good fun. Good fun. So if you are new here, if you haven't joined the Discord is full of these beautiful people who say good morning every morning. Look at this. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, man. TP1 Django. Good job, bro. You got 8 traders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 traders. Signals guys. Setup guys. Live stream guys. Smart money concepts. Pivots. Bat patterns. Momentum traders. Barrage of alpha all the time, and then constant lessons and setups, and over 150 videos of me taking what you are struggling with and helping you guys fix it every day. We did how many did we do yesterday? Two good videos. We did marking out your chart top to bottom, right? That was really good. We did our morning routine bias video the other day as well. That was really good. Nice pushback here. Solana wants to go. So thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. Randy Hipper in the house. What's going on? Good to see you. I'll send the gang to Randy Hipper today. And then I'll send the gang to Army Piper tomorrow, because there's more news tomorrow. More data. Not news. Data. Yeah, we jumped forward in Canada. I'm in Canada, unfortunately. But fortunately, too. Yeah, Canada's absolutely full of morons right now. It's called a data chubby. Oh, sorry if I wasn't politically correct, man. Good to see you, JR. How you doing, man? Flat Smack. Amen. Jojo, good morning. Good to see you, Dusty. David Brumbelow, my man. God bless you and the family. Reggie Classic. What's going on, Mr. Reggie? Superstar. What's going on, Shem? I got you now, Shem. We know you're Shem now. You should have said, I never had to learn how to say your name, Shemitris. Now, you're Shem. Why didn't you give me the easy out earlier on? You'll have a drink, a glass of otter milk for 20K? I don't know where I would get otter milk. I'd have to go on wish.com or something. A wish.com, you know? Don't worry, man. Your personality is way taller than you are. Oh, that's either kind or insulting. I like it. I hope it's insulting. 5'4" golf club, Lord Otter swinging. I got golf booked for today. Actually, I'm gonna go and smash some balls. Hey, man, how does it feel when a guy who's 5'4" hits a 310-yard drive and looks at you, and you're a big, husky 6'2" man who hit a slice into the woods, 140 yards? You know, how do you feel? That's how I feel. Am I in a trade? No trades right now. We're waiting. No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Every single day. Equal lows. I'm not a big fan of equal lows. God's country, yeah, it's pretty up here. It's pretty up here. I think Solana's going to pop today. That's my guess. Nice pushback. We've had this 3 days in a row where we've had like a very nice push into market open. And then, pardon me. So a very nice push into market open, and then that liquidity event, and then off we went again, right? So if we look at yesterday's market open, right? We had the news, right? The news, the big push, the liquidity event, the continuation, right? So interesting. I thought yesterday was going to be a gong show for me, guys. I was down $1,200 to start the stream yesterday, and then I ended up crushing the afternoon. I mean, down 1,200 here, then took that long for 1,300 we did again on the live stream. So we were down 1,200 to first couple trades on the live stream. I managed to long in here. I managed to short in here. Made 2,400 yesterday. It's a great day. Very good day after starting down 1,200. So happy days. Happy effing days, man. So we did a beautiful $200 on Monday. We did 18 on Tuesday, and we've done 24 yesterday. So far, so good for a week in trading crypto. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Looks like we're pushing right now. I don't know. No trade right now. I wasn't interested in these lows. It hasn't done the liquidity is it's down here, really. It's down here, so I'm not generally, that interested here. A little bit of patience, really. I think that's going to be key. Bro, you made minus 3K yesterday. Why lie about it? It was all on stream. Yeah, exactly. How many years have you been playing golf, and how many lessons, if any? I've only been playing golf for 2 years now. 2.5. This will be my third season of playing consistent golf. I would play like once a year. So this will be my third season. Last year is the first year I broke 80. I shot a 76. I have the scorecard over there. I was on absolute fire. And I play honest golf. Which is hard at times because I want to hit the ball 3 times every time I hit the ball, right? God bless you, Dave. Guys, look at that sell wall. Like, come on. This is too easy. Too easy sometimes. Enticing buyers, dumping it on their head. This price action is absolutely shite, mate. Someone asked me what shite means the other day. Oh, man. The boy can play. Sweet. Ask Tradefly. Tradefly and I are going golfing at the end. We're going to do Torrey Pines, guys. We're going to play Torrey Pines in California. I'm going to visit Tradefly in California, if you guys didn't know already. It's going to be... It's a little bit of a bromance, okay? I'm sorry. It's a little bit of a bromance. We're going to go and play golf. Coffee time, guys. It's coffee time. I'll be back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gains. I'm chopping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Alexo, creepy toe. True story. True story. That was a fun story to tell. I've done an artistic drawing to that. I'm always curious to see how many people fall off. We had 350. We're at 337. You guys actually staying, man. Thanks for staying. I guess we do something right here. I don't know what the hell we do right, but we take trades, we show trades, and we're trying to make crypto honest again. How much smack did you guys talk about? What do I know about Jews? Not a lot, man. Not a lot. I know they make good bagels. Cali is targeted by Iran? I'm choosing great vacay spots. Absolutely. Something looks different on stream today. It's your beautiful face, Nadeem. It's your beautiful face. We all got Tory Pines, you bastard. Yeah. I know I am. I am actually a bastard, unfortunately. Single mom life, man. It's alright, my mom's a star. Very grateful. What's going on, Shark Fins? Good to see you, bro. Tyson, good morning. Good to see you. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here. It's 7 a.m. where I am. It's 9 o'clock. We got half an hour till market opens. We've done a little bit of a top-down analysis generally. We had some housing data come out. We got a lot of data coming out tomorrow. We're a bit overextended, looking for price to come back down to this order block right now. Gave this kind of short area. We came up, slapped it, and dumped. It wasn't really a set. I couldn't really get in on this, but we're above VWAP, so looking for a retracement back into it. A little bit of imbalance, so looking to come back into here. Our 1 hour trigger wave to the downside is concerning. Oil's pumping. Solana's outperforming Bitcoin right now, looking strong. Interesting. A little bit of alt magic happening here. So consolidation for Biddy, Solana ripping. So Solana is just making higher highs where Bitcoin's made a lower high. Contrarian. The NASDAQ, the US 100, is breaking down, trying to hold VWAP right now. But it's breaking down. So we'll see. Leaving a big imbalance up above. So might need to come up before it comes down. Might need to come to right here. Right? Before it comes down. Order block. Tappy tappy. And then maybe down and go. We'll see. We'll see. Very volatile, very choppy today, guys. So if you are trading, I always highly suggest you reduce your position size in a market like this. Right? Like normally I'm taking $500,000 to $800,000 trades. I've reduced that to 100 to 300,000. It's just how the cookie crumbles, man. You want to have a little bit more wiggle room on your trade and your stop loss and all that stuff. You got to reduce your size. It's called making an adjustment to conditions. It's very important. Otherwise, you end up getting wrecked and you lose more than you should, which is never easy because it hurts your account. We've had 3 successful days trading live with you guys. Yesterday we were down 1,200 and we ended up crawling back and making 24. 18 on Tuesday, 200 on Monday. Slow and steady. I took 1 trade Monday though. I took like 4 trades on Tuesday and I took like 8 trades yesterday. So I'm trying to not overtrade today. Execution was a little bit off yesterday morning, but directional bias was right. We gave the long here. And we ended up getting stopped out. Okay, and everybody else who took the long and managed their risk properly was rich off of the setup from yesterday. I had to battle yesterday, which is not always the funnest thing to do when you're trading. We are in a giant pennant bull flag thingy mabobber, whatever these weird people trade. I don't know how you trade them, but people trade them. Okay, if maybe you go long in the middle and you go like this. I don't know how you do it, but good job. We are overextended. Order block below. Bull flag here. Right? Bull divs trying to push out. So looking for a retracement into here or looking for a push up into here. Well, we get it. We shall see, right? We shall see. So if this, then that. But very choppy in here for the week so far. So we might come back for Monday. I think we might come back for Monday. Not Monday's low. I don't know if we necessarily come for Monday's low, but we maybe back for this liquidity from Monday. We'll see. But for now, it's very choppy at the toppy, right? Like yesterday, choppy at the toppy, choppy at the toppy. Yesterday we got long here. This was great. So we're in a different situation this morning. We shall see. We shall see. Prepared trader is a profitable trader. So patience is going to be the key. When looking at market cipher and understanding here, this is a trigger wave to the downside. If it rolls over, if it wants to continue, happy days. Okay, 2, still pushing. 3, still pushing. 4, still pushing. Okay, 8 hours, a little bit concerning as well, but can possibly look for a potential print of a green dot and push up into Friday. Okay, so be prepared for volatility and sporadic price action, because that's all we've been getting. Look at yesterday. Okay, so be ready for it. It's going to happen. Oil is pumping right now, which should mean that NASDAQ is dumping and SPY is dumping. But we'll see how that opens up this morning. We still got a bit of time till we get the market open. So about 20 minutes, a little bit more. But just chopping at the highs here, leaving liquidity down below. So I think we remain patient up in here for now. That is what I'm trying to do. No trades so far this morning. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Trying to make crypto honest again. Or trying to make crypto honest, period. Which is always a fun challenge. We have 350 people in here. Only 142 likes. So I would appreciate if you guys smack those like buttons. Subscribe if you're new. I do appreciate it. Good news. Okay. I think Cali will be all right, man. Team Canada made it to the second round of the World Baseball Classic. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Do you know how they did it? Is Mark Carney did not go and celebrate or wish them good luck. That's why they're doing well. Every other team, Team Canada Hockey, the Edmonton Oilers, Team Canada Soccer. Every team he has gone and wished good luck has failed. Do not go to the baseball game, Mark Carney. I watched too much Candace Owens. Oh, God, shark fins. Here we go. Spawny, good morning. Guy. Eric, good morning. 48 legs. The hell, people? Exactly. That's what I thought. Ramus, good to see you, man. How you doing? Max Tokyo. Every time I see Tokyo, I think of the drifting song. Sorry. Sorry to your ears. You still trade TRB? You're wild, man. If you don't know about TRB, there's a reason why TRB is on the main chart, okay? Because we were trading TRB over here. This is where I originated, guys. This is my degen days. And if we had just bought TRB somewhere in the lows, I mean, there's always one, right, guys? There's always one that got away from you. I used to trade this thing so degenerately. It was so fun. 77x leverage. $2 trades like an absolute dickweed. Oh, this is when I was unprofitable, guys. Oh, man. Good times. Good times, man. You got to learn the hard way. I'm one of those who learns the hard way. I don't know about you guys, but I like to run into a wall 40 times before I just decide to go around it. Or I become the Kool-Aid man and go, oh, yeah. That's just me. Jasmine got me. The Carney Curs, yeah. Alex, executing trades are not important. You are my captain saver. You guide when to stay away. Thanks a ton. I think that's part of the reason why people come here is that I think we can analyze and look at this thing reacting live and hopefully help protect people's capital. I think that's important too. I think at the end of the day, being disciplined and trying to be controlled, right? I think, well, look at the poll. Everybody here discipline, right? It's all discipline. If we look at there's a good chapter. If you really are that lazy and you don't want to do your homework, because I gave everybody homework last night. Who's reading Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone? I gave this out to everybody. Okay, Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone. Okay, if you can't handle that, okay, there's one chapter that you should definitely watch, or definitely read. It's the guess what it would be called? It would be called Mark Douglas, Trading in the Zone. So this is a classic. Every trader should look at this. Go and read Taking Responsibility. What the is going on here, Adobe? Get out of here. Taking Responsibility. Okay, go and read this, or just grab it like this and take it to Grok or whatever. Okay, grab all of Taking Responsibility and read that part. Just do one chapter for your damn self, man. Just do this one, okay? You can do it. Grab it all, right? And copy it into Grok and get Grok to read it to you like whatever. Maybe in like, I don't know, this is Sparta voice. Or get Arnold Schwarzenegger to read it. Or Morgan Freeman, okay? You know? And get them to talk it to you, right? Invest in yourself. That's all I got to say, man. It's not meant to be easy, but it can be done, obviously. So there's people doing it, right? Myself is one of them, thank God. God is good, man. God is good. Just do it now. Put the cookie down. Stop whining. TRB is the one that got away. That's the one, man. Good to see you, Django. Thank you for always being here. Django's putting in the work, man. Django's putting in the work. Dan is. Zach is. I see you, Zach. Mojo Jojo, there's no other way. Eric. When I said I'd kill you last, I lied. So we'll see how we get in here. We're just consolidating. This looks like it needs to roll over. But Solana doesn't care. Solana up to our trend line here, trying to get going. Up only. NASDAQ, a little retest of the lows like we thought. And now rolling over. So far so good on the NASDAQ forecast. One day we'll become a NASDAQ trader and we'll all just degen together and blow prop accounts. Yeah? I don't even know the first thing about prop accounts, man. I am not a prop trader. Apex Trading. Apex. What? It's Apex, right? Apex. I don't even know the friggin' trader funding. Is that it? Is this Apex? This is where Trades by Matt, I think, uses. Okay. No drawdown. Get started. How much is one of these things? Okay. End of day trail. Intraday trail. End of day trail. Come on. Tradeovate, Wealth charts. I don't use any of these. I don't even know what these are. I want a 50K account. Come on. Minimum. How much is it? One-time fee. They want to get you. You know, the first one's free. You know, they want to get you. Oh, man, that's fucking blinding. 6 mini, 60 micro. I don't even understand what that is. See, like this is like Japanesey to me, man. Not for me. Mini, micros. I mean, I'm already mini. It's a big investment for me to go back and try to do that, you know? It's at least I have the fundamentals down. So I wouldn't have to learn how to read the charts, but I would have to learn how to read the NASDAQ properly. That's for damn sure. SFP of the lows right now, rolling over. Sweep of the lows coming into market open. We got 14 minutes here. Normally I would take this, but it's in the wrong area, everybody. So, like, we want to buy low, sell high, right? Like, we are up at the highs right now. This is not where we want to long unless we have confirmation. Liquidity still needs to be tapped in here and here. So, like, I would prefer this to come down in here, give us some structure, and then go. We can see weakness in the DAC. There it is. Weakness in the DAC, right? I mean, I forecast. I use the NASDAQ as confluence with Bitcoin. I forecast pretty well. But it doesn't mean I can trade it well, because execution is a different story. Anybody can come on here and draw pretty fluffy boxes for you guys and lines on a chart and say, hey, price could go here and it could go here, and this is never financial advice. Those guys probably aren't traders. That's just my advice. Unless you've seen them executing with a live account every single day, making enough money to pay their bills. They're probably just fluffy drawing lines on a damn chart. They're giving you areas that they're interested in. And they're probably using you for your commission fees. That's my guess. Because I know that's 90% of the people out there. I know it is. Prove me wrong. Go ask them to withdraw their funds. Show you their monthly and yearly P&L. Ask them. I mean, they don't have to show you. I don't show you everything, but I show you mostly everything. I mean, the Discord saw me take $197,000 for tax purposes and put that back into the account and put it into 60, then turn the 60 into 97. This was in January. Then go all the way back down to 80. Right? Then taking out that, starting with a 10K account, combining that 10K account into 40,000. They've seen me do this year. Right? They seen the $147,000 month in November. Okay. They've seen it. I ain't got to show you. I ain't got to show everybody my penis, but I show the Discord. Too far? Right? Anyways, it just upsets me because people who come here to learn, there's so much information from people who aren't really doing it, right? That's why we're trying to make crypto honest again, right? That's why. Jeanette, I went there. Prop accounts are actually a great way to learn. It exposes less of your capital and it gives you the greatest potential of upside. When you're out, you're out. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, there's like and they force you to follow rules too, which is good too, especially when you're new. I do agree with that, Brumbelow. And you're not wrecking all of your capital. You're not like loading up a 10K account as a new trader and then just blowing it off, right? God bless you, D. Jenny from the blockchain coming through. What's going on? Russell just rolled over hard. Okay. Solbrook structure. 3-minute structure, yeah. The DAC telling the story, right? Pump and dump, pump and dump. 10 minutes till market opens. A little bit of shake and bake. Ricky Booby. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down here for Bitcoin. I like the short here, but it's early in the morning. I promised myself I would not take more than 3 trades today. So I'm trying to use my scalpel today rather than my blunt, big-ass sledgehammer, okay? I'm trying to use the scalpel. I just feel like I was undisciplined in my trading yesterday to a certain extent. So I'm not punishing myself. I'm restricting myself. That's all. That's it. At the end of the day, you got to do what's best for you, and you got to know yourself too, right? You got to know if you got to put in some barriers to your trading, if you got to make sure, you know, like take the money out of the account. Give yourself $100 to trade with if you're having a shit week last week, right? Like physically take the money out and make sure you're not able to use it, right? Like you got to, it's part of the journey. I still do it to this day, right? I started the year with a 60K account, brought it to 100, lost 23,000. It was back down to 77. I said, this is crazy, because I was up 40 and then I spiraled and I was down 23, 24. So I took the money off the exchange. Started with 10K again. Disciplined trading. Right? That 10K turned into 40. 43. Came back from vacation. Started at 20K. Okay? We're almost at 30. Happy days. But it's like I'm limiting myself to this thing. That was a great short, by the way. Seeing it correctly this morning coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 380 people here, 162 likes. That's it. What? Rookie numbers, baby. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Come on, let me know. Let me know. You can brag. I like when you guys win, too. You can brag. Come on. Put a 2 in the chat. All you guys who are short. I love to see you guys win. You guys know that. I love seeing you guys win. I'm skiing too. Let's go, baby. GG's. 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 I mean, I gave the sell wall right here in the Discord. I gave this sell wall right here as well. Earlier in the stream. And you guys are all making money, man. Good job. Good job. That's awesome. I mean, I at least I guide you correctly. I gave this level in the Discord. I gave this level. I said we'd probably come in here or here. Check. Mate. Right? So at least I'm seeing it correctly. I'm just trying to be a little bit more disciplined today. That's all. That's it. That's all. Okay? No need to rush today. Into our buy level, order block. Rotation down, oil pumping. NASDAQ dumping. Let's see if this comes true here now. So far, first forecast is correct. Looking for a consolidation, pump, dump, and continuation on the DAC. We'll see where we gap. I'm assuming now that we're dumping here that we're pretty much going to gap even here on the SPY. Remember, we talked about this too earlier on the stream. So we got the 3 drives. SPY is trading down here, so probably an equal open, right? So we roll down here for this ES, and then the SPY is already down here, and we have a very small gap to start the day. We'll see. Biddy getting a little bounce out of here. We had a little head and shoulders on here too, didn't we? Boop, boop, boop. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. A little bit of pushback here. See if we can come up. I mean, we had the breakdown, retest to previous lows, continuation down trade. That was a great short there. If you took that, that was a really good entry here with the break. So you had a break here, retest to previous lows. That's where you short. So you break it down, you come back, you test it, and then you dump. Very nice. So far, so good. Thank you guys for getting those likes up. I do appreciate it. We're trying to get to that 20,000. I don't typically ask for subscribers, but it's kind of fun trying to get to the 20K. I've never been much of a subscriber hunter. I don't really care who's I like that you're subscribed, but I just want to hang out with we get to hang out 400 of us in here and just hang out, take trades, try to do our best. That's it. Trading can be lonely. Trading is definitely you versus you, right? So if you're stuck in it, right, having a community and people to hang out with while doing this. For me, working on a construction site for 15 years of my life, you're in the trenches with the boys all day, right? I feel like the same thing is going on here, right? Like we're in the trenches. The ladies here can put up with all of our ridiculous shenanigans. Plywood all day, baby, right? Plywood all day. And the ladies who put up with us, God bless them. Jeanette and Melissa. I always miss Team Crypto. Right? But new moon on the 18th means 80% chance down. That's my birthday, man. Don't new moon me. Alexandra G. I don't even know. Alexandra G's she tough as she puts up with all of us lads, man. Chantel always comes in and says good morning. Maureen. Does your wife ever say anything about other women on here? My wife doesn't care, man. My wife is a smoke show. I'm married. I'm very happily married. That's a different story, right? People are married, but they ain't happy. I'm over the fucking moon about my wife. I will never deny that. I am punching. I have a beautiful child, a beautiful son. God is good, man. I just remain grateful and try to be humble. But this is a grind, right? This is a grind. But as a construction worker, this is easy, man. You want to go minus 30 on the 70th floor, doing form ply, trying to hold a piece of plywood while walking across rebar over and over again. Come join me, man. Come join me. Used to sit here. We needed to move the form ply from here to here. This is like a good old 2-minute walk. You got 5 stacks that's just been craned up. You got a floor being poured here with all the rebar in between. And you got to get over here. You got to pick up the sheet on the 70th floor. You got the sheet of plywood here along your back. You got your hand up here, your other hand down here. You're 5'4", so your knees are already hitting the rebar. And you're trying to walk this shit all day long in minus 30-degree weather. And the wind's trying to blow you off the bloody building. And you do this for 10 hours a day, all day long. Get at me, man. Right? Shout out to the construction workers out there, man. I get it. I did it for years. For years. It's all fine and dandy to build something and nail it together and whatever, but how do you think the material gets there? It's not just laborers. It's a grind. It's a grind. So shout out to you guys, man. You there trying to screw in a 12-foot sheet of drywall that's fireproof 5/8, and you got a prop on one end, a T-prop on one end, and you're holding it with your head, and then you're trying to reach in your pouch, and you're trying to screw the thing in, and you miss the stud, and then you miss the stud, and you miss the stud, and you know that you're going to be taping for another 3 extra days. All right. Market is open, baby. Let's go. Oof. Big gap down. Let's go. Honor gang. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Let's go, baby. Dumping in the morning. Rotation down. Let's see. Bitcoin. Rotation down. NASDAQ. Popped back up. Here's a pop back up. Rotation down. Looking for the SFP. Solana. Rotation down. 3 drives. Bear divs. Can it come back down to the WAP? We'll see. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. Market cipher looking a little bit bullish. Trying to push back. We'll see. We'll see what we get. Looking for a VWAP slap potentially. Needs confirmation. However, structure says down. Order block here. We can go swing low to swing high. Yeah, golden pocket right now. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. A little patience here, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Market is popping, dropping, locking, whatever. Rolling over this morning. 2 sell walls given in advance this morning. No trades right now. Still waiting. We'll see what goes on here. This looks pretty ugly. Rolling over. No bounce for the DAC. Oil is up 8% today, guys. Flying. That means the SPY is dying. Okay. Wild times. Wild price action. Patience here. We'll see what happens. A little Bart Simpson rollover. Coming back into the range. Pretty good support in here, right? Choppy range. Remember, we're coming into a very choppy range. Acceptance into the range. So we'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for smashing up that like button. Subscribing if you're new. And using the Bitunix link in the pinned comments. VIP 3 for 6 bloody months, mate. 6 months. All right. Good to see you guys. I'm a heavy duty mechanic who gets old after a while. Yeah. My cousin, who's my best friend, he's a mechanic, man. The carpal tunnel, the bolts, the customers, you name it. On my 19th year of residential framing, and I love it. Yeah, I like framing too, man. I like framing too. Framing was fun. I'm like a cat. So like walking and nailing, and I liked being on cuts too. I liked cutting. I mean, cutting can get boring unless you're doing the roof. Even then, there's not much cutting into roof because it's all trusses now. But you got a nice dormer to do or something like that. It's a different, framing at a dormer. Or good fun. Pap, 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 pap. Coil gun all day. Good fun, man. Little pass load. Ready to go. I do like this VWAP slap, but I'm patient here. Still waiting. We got a little bit of consolidation trying to push back here. And SPY looks weak. SPY looks weak, but we are getting a little bit of bottoming structure in this area. Possible push up right now. Still no trade, guys. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. Nice pushback here. Bull div, pushback. All right. There's that volatility coming back for late shorts. Big push on the DAC. Big push on the SPY. All right. Buy level given in advance. Okay. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long there. I mean, AlexOCrypto levels are on fire today. Jeez. I should just get my spoon out. I should get my spoon out. Shouldn't I, Dave? I'm gonna give all these people the spoon. Here you guys go.
Time to feed the gang.
Look at all the money.
They love the American dollars.
Let's go, baby. Spoon feeding. Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. They front ran the VWAP. Yeah, absolutely. Is that the jacked version of you? I was jacked like 4 years ago. I was a gym rat like 4 years ago. Now I'm just I'm flabbed. This is the jacked version of AlexOCrypto. This is what I send to the people who get, oh, my account got liquidated. This is what I send to the Otter Gang members. There is no stop loss, right? Jason Casper. I love him. Oh, fuck. Too funny. Ask JR, how many times have I yelled at JR to use good risk management? Proper use of AI today. Yeah, that's the only way, man. Damn, Solana. I miss you. Well, it's running away, guys. Which is fine. We let it run. Let it run. We'll see what happens here. Oil cooling down a little bit. NASDAQ trying to push out. Double bottom. VWAP slap. Rotation down. Solana rotation down. Another SFP. Higher high, higher low. Another lower high here on Biddy. Failure to push. Coming back in. Failure to push. Gonna be a big orb today, guys. Ray orb is gonna be in. Coming back for those late longs, though. We'll see. Coming back for the late long. See if it wants to continue here. Trigger wave up. Could look for a long up at these highs here. Continuation, but hasn't really changed structure. Just holding. Solana retracement. Retest to previous highs, continuation up possibility here. It's considering a stab here. No follow through yet. NASDAQ got follow through. Might take it because of NASDAQ. Follow through. Bitcoin follow through. Continuation. Not yet. Still waiting. It's got to go here. NASDAQ. It's got to go here. Still waiting. No trade. SPY pushing back. We need the oil to dump. We need the oil to dump. Bitcoin can follow through here. Might get long. NASDAQ, push. NASDAQ needs to push. Solana needs to push. No push yet. Trying to hold support here. Oil's still flat. Bitcoin's still flat. Inward curvature on market cipher. Caution here for longs. No long yet. Still waiting. NASDAQ struggling at the highs here. Solana needs to hold here and push if it can. If we can push here, we can get long on Bitcoin. If not, we wait. Bitcoin trying to get acceptance back into this range. Okay, let's go. I like that. Can we get follow through to the highs? Follow through. Push. No follow through. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go, baby. Push, baby. Failing to push here. Might get stopped out. Nope. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a nambe-pambe. NASDAQ struggling a little bit here. SPY struggling a little bit too. I might just get out here, yeah. I'm gonna get out here. Stopped out. $200 loss. I'm out. I don't mind that loss. No follow through here. Yeah, I should have closed that. No follow through here. On to the next one. NASDAQ rotating down. Down 200 to start the day. Maybe I'm a bit early. That's fine. It's going to go here. What's the bet? Is orb in yet? Nope, we still got 2 minutes here. On to the next one. NASDAQ rotating down. SPY rotating down as well. Solana. Solana looks strong. However, weakness at the highs here. All right, down one trade today. Reset. Kind of annoyed with that trade. I don't know why I'm annoyed, but I am. On to the next one. NASDAQ still looks weak. SPY looks weak. Oil rotating down here. Bitcoin chopping. No trade. Especially because NASDAQ's rolling over. And SPY does not look good at all. Down 1%. Big gap down. Bitcoin's flat. Failure to make a higher high as well. Right? Down we go. Down we go. Solana, down we go. 3 drives, SFP. Back into our buy wall here. Doji engulfing to the downside here on Bitcoin. Orb is in and now, so we can put our orb in. Bitcoin rotating down, down, down. Orbi1 Kenobi here. Doji engulfing to the downside here. No strength coming in. Weakness on NASDAQ, weakness on SPY, weakness on Bitcoin, weakness on Solana. Down. It all says down. How low do we go? We'll see. Rotation down. Here we go. Good close on that. I mean, it's a good close on that long. I think that's a good close on that long. You know, failing to make a higher high here. Losing or breaking down. Aggressive move through. VWAPs, typically bearish. Okay. NASDAQ, SPY, dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Right through the liquidity here. Down we go. Big sweep of the lows in here. Bullish divergence coming in. Needs to reclaim orb, if anything. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel. Yesterday, just minutes after you closed the trade, your bias proved to be right to the upside, just saying. We'll see. Good morning, Mac Ali. How you doing? Thank you, everybody, for being here. We'll see if we rotate down. Yeah, it was a good close. I mean, it was a good close. I'm glad I closed it out. Rotation down. Bye-bye, Solana. Bye-bye, NASDAQ. Bye-bye, SPY. Up, up, and away, oil. The big short today, guys. Here comes all this liquidity down here and down here. We'll see where we get to, but damn, Daniel, this does not look good for the market coming into this morning. Big sell-off. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, baby. Good job, everybody. Good job. Thank you guys for subscribing and hanging out here and supporting the channel. Down 200 today. Not too shabby. Very, very choppy market. We'll see what we get here. A little bounce off the DAC. Sweeping the lows. Does not look good, though. SPY. Eek. SPY's down 1% today. So we be waiting right now. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Pushback, retest to previous lows, continuation down. Halfway up the candle, VWAP slap, continuation down, possibility here. Or a big old V-shaped recovery. No trade yet, still waiting. Let's see how it reacts. Big V-shaped recovery so far. Nice pushback here. Pushback for the NASDAQ. No trade yet. Pushback for Solana as well. Okay. Nice pushback here. Trying to reclaim orb. A failed orb breakdown is typically bullish. Let's see if it does hold. If it doesn't hold, we can consider a short here. If we fall down below VWAP, we can consider a short, but no trade yet. Still waiting here. This looks strong. Nice pushback. Nice pushback. Big pushback here. Big pushback for the NASDAQ. And for Biddy. They are cheeky, aren't they? Reclaim of orb, bouncing up. Interesting. No trade. Still waiting here. Coming back for late shorts. Reclaim of orb, continuation up. NASDAQ pushing back, holding. Might consider a long here. Solana maybe. SPY needs to bounce as well. NASDAQ needs to bounce as well. Still looking weak here, guys. Bitcoin can hold here though. We might consider a long. Quite a liquidity grab this morning. NAS still showing weakness, guys. Still showing weakness. No trade. SPY showing weakness again. Oil still flat. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. No trade here. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP. Still waiting. Weakness on NAS. Weakness on SPY. Down, down, down. See if it holds here. Weakness, weakness. Choppy day. Failed or breakdown. We haven't seen the first 3 50-minute candles. You didn't know it was going to dump this morning. You ate 200 because you didn't know it was going to dump. Not sure what you're getting at, bro. Big rotation down here on NASDAQ. SPY looking weak as well. Bitcoin trying to hold on here. I mean, if everything else is going to dump, then I think Bitcoin would follow suit, wouldn't we? Generally, right? No pushback here for NAS. No pushback here for SPY. No trade. Still waiting. See if we can hold orb. Not really convinced to try and long here at all. Unless we can push back. There's no pushback coming. It's all rolling over. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. Choppy, choppy. Three drives, bear divs, rotation down. Down we go. Losing orb again. No trade here. Still waiting. Pretty ugly. Still waiting. First 2 minutes gave the go ahead. Yeah. Thank you for being here, Josh Bryan. Send it to hell already. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it needs to go down. Clearly, look at the SPY. Look at. NASDAQ rotating. SPY rotating down. Solana's still holding. Still needs to go to VWAP. Bitcoin's still battling here, which is kind of impressive, really, considering what these look like. Right? Everything else, yeah. Still battling. Still battling. Holding on for dear life, Bitcoin. Doesn't want to give it up. We go live in the Discord after this. Trading. Should be good. Should be good. Yikes, man. Nasty. Nasty, nasty. Bitcoin's still trying to hold. I mean, this is kind of the play, right? You guys are all short, right? Discipline is by far the most difficult aspect of trading. Some things go hand in hand with it, but sticking to one strategy and one plan is where most traders struggle. What's going on, Lunar Beaches Crypto? My man, LBC in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Some people are short Sol. I mean, Sol needs to come here, 85. Solana. Still looks okay. Still looks okay. Reclaim of orb. Failed or breakdown twice. Reclaim of VWAP is bullish. I'm going to take a stab here long. That's a good candle. That's a good candle. Rotation back up to the top of the orb. Let's do it. Up 200. Nice orb reclaim VWAP hold. Failure to push price down. Continuation trade. I'm going to rotate to the top of the orb. See if we can get going here. I mean, just a failure down here. Nice wick coming back in. The reclaim of the orb, VWAP being right here as well for support, right? I mean, liquidity has been grabbed. Remember we said the imbalance was here this morning. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. I'm going to take that off there. See if leave this as a runner now. GG's in the chat. Back on top, up 300. So up 100 for the day. See if you can rotate back up. NASDAQ pushing. Failure to break down. Okay, so failure to break down. Exhaustion here. Reclaim of VWAP and lower orb. Rotation to the top of the orb. Shorts building. Liquidity grabbing. Pretty simple trade. GG's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Send it. Very nice. Big recovery for NASDAQ. Big recovery for the SPY. Everything working together right now, so that's a good sign. Solana pushing back out. I thought Solana needed to come here. However, Solana don't care. Solana going to Valhalla now. Nice trade. We'll see if we rotate. Good job, everybody. Let's go. Send it. Schlong to TP1. Nice, Alex. Looks like you're getting it too. Let's go, Django. No. We were overextended to the downside on the orb. Beautiful push here, guys. Good long. Chilling now. I just lost 12K. I'm sorry to hear that, Sam Ram. I'm sorry to hear that. Blowfin sweeping. Use Bitunix then. BIP3 in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 450 people here. Thank you, guys, for smashing up the likes, subscribing if you're new, join the gang. We're going to go live in the Discord trading after this. Good times, man. Good times. Nice pushback here. NASDAQ still making lower highs. Still not convinced, like, on the pump. Doesn't mean we're just choppy right now, right? So we could potentially add to this trade on the retest of the lows here. Not convinced yet, though. We're still kind of bleeding out here, so we'll see. We're still just chilling in this trade now. We'll see if it does want to push. I mean, if we're going for targets, the target would be 71. If we're trying to get out of this stupid flag, right? I mean, this flag could push us all the way to here, really. 74. Imagine. I mean, that's some hopium, but that's really like flag target. If we go on higher term time frame, we get entered here. We take this stupid pole and we take this stupid target and we put the right, or we're fucking up here. Not saying this is the low that's gonna do it. It's not that's not healthy thoughts. I'm just saying, you know, if it's a runner, it could run, right? You never know. Sometimes you hit those trades. That's how I ended up having such a big month in November, right? Like you'd hit a trade like this and you just let it be. Turn your $2,000 trade into a $20,000 trade. That's insane, right? That's the insanity of the job that we're in. No, come out. It's fine. My wife's cool, man. She asked me if I wanted another coffee. I do, but I don't want her to work. My job is to make sure that she is chilling. Mm-hmm. 440 people here. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Chopping. I'm going to close that out there. Happy days. $300. $300. We'll see if we continue to push here. I'm closed out of that trade. Maybe re-enter, but right now I think we're going to wait. We're going to wait. NASDAQ's got to do some work here. So does SPY. Solana looks okay for follow through to the upside. Choppy consolidation, guys. Not the greatest place to be with price action right now. A little bit of patience is going to pay off a lot today. Nice long here. Stopped out up here. One for two today. Up $100. Nothing special. But good risk management, good execution here. We could still easily rotate top of orb. I mean, the play long, if this is going to continue, you'd see something like this and then break and retest and go. Either here or here. We'll see if we can catch it in the Discord maybe. Right now consolidating. NASDAQ not showing that much strength just yet. Looking a little bit weak. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing. We're going to send you to Randy Hipper today. So hopefully you guys go over there and throw some otters in her chat. Supporting fellow content creators. And we'll send you over to the Piper Academy tomorrow with all the news data. That's enough out of me today, guys. Happy days, happy trade. Good risk management. Hopefully you're all gig along and making lots of money. God bless you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, hanging out here every morning, hanging out, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof,